These are the top 10 tricks you should add to your wish list at Penguin Magic this April 2025. We've got powerhouse releases, underground gems, and a few tricks that are already disappearing fast. There is something here for everyone, along with the best levitation trick of all time back in stock. Let's start strong with one of the best tricks I've ever seen, and honestly, one of the best tricks I've ever done. Leviosa took the Magic world by storm when it first came out, and now, finally, it's back in stock. This is the one where the sign card is lost into the deck. The deck is placed on the floor, it mysteriously cuts itself, and the sign card shoots out of the center of the pack. But that's not all. Then the deck floats up off the floor into your hand. It is crazy. It looks like straight up CGI. Ever since this was first released, it went directly into my show, and it's one of my favorite moments to capture on video. And I get questions about Leviosa all the time from people all around the world. And one of the biggest ones is, where can you get it? Well, finally, it's back in stock. It's been over a year before it has been available for purchase, but you can get it right now at Penguin Magic in both red and blue. And I don't know how long it will be there. In my opinion, this is one of the best levitation products that has ever existed. Joao Miranda has made this as easy as possible for anyone to use. All it is a push of a button. I swear it is that good. You'll love it. Leviosa, add it to your wish list right now. Coming in at number 2 is the Impossible Magic Kit by Trono. This is an incredible collection of 16 professional quality props that have been all grown up. You'll get not only the props that you need to perform the tricks, but the professional level presentations that you will love and make these tricks something fresh and part of your everyday carry. While there's lots of incredible tricks in this product, let me give you a couple of my favorite. The first being the Vanishing Lens Cloth, which is essentially a bare-handed silk vanish, but the silk has been redesigned to look like a lens cloth that you could use to clean your glasses. Number 2, Cord Through Arm. This is a really innocent looking string that passes through any solid object, including a spectator's arm. This kit is super fun, super useful, and one of the best all-around magic sets I've seen in a long time. Definitely worth putting on your wish list. At number 3, we have Didget Spinner by Stahl and Johan Stahl. This one got a lot of attention at Blackpool because it lets you spin objects on your fingertip in a super clean, visual way, and then immediately hand them out. The setup is genius. It's just a tiny little gimmick that you can attach to any object. I stuck mine to the back of my debit card and keep it just in my wallet, and it's ready to go at any time. It just lives on the back of my card, or can attach to pretty much anything flat. And when you want to perform, you just balance the object on your finger, give it a little spin, and it goes. It comes with everything you need, the gimmick itself, a centering tool so you can find the perfect balance point, and a full tutorial that walks you through the whole process. If you've ever loved spinning or balance effects, this is an obvious must-have and something that you will use all the time. At number 4, we have the Universal Smoke Watch and Remote by Joao Miranda. In a world of magician smoke devices, this one feels like a game changer. This is Joao's latest creation, and unlike previous smoke watches, you don't need a special watch anymore. This gimmick slides right under your own watch band, any watch you want, and gives you the power to create thick, beautiful smoke at the touch of a button, with or without a remote. You can use it close up, on stage, or in casual situations. It's even got programmable delay options, app control for timing and output, and a rechargeable, removable battery so you're never stuck mid-show. Plus, the smoke quality is excellent, dense, consistent, and really dramatic. While I'm not the everyday smoke guy, my good friend Eric loves the smoke device, and he was so excited that he could use now any watch he wanted to. Not only that, this device can be updated remotely. There are new firmware updates happening all the time to the Universal Smoke device, making it new and improved, so the functionality just keeps getting better. Whether you use smoke to add a punch to a vanish, or just to give your card routine that extra moment, this is one of the most flexible, modern smoke devices on the market. Joao Miranda's products do sell out. We know this from Leviosa and many others. So if you have any interest in the smoke watch, pick it up today at Penguin Magic. Coming in at number 5 is one of the best books of the year, Absolute Madness by Craig Petty. This isn't just a book, it's a collection of 18 of Craig's strongest working effects, materials he's been using at gigs for over 30 years. These are his go-to tricks for weddings, corporates, family shows, you name it. You'll learn his openers, his closers, some incredibly strong coin and card magic, and even the mentalism routines he uses for his highest paying clients. What's really cool is you also get a video of Craig performing a full show filmed live at the P3 Theater, so you can see exactly how this material plays for real audiences. On top of that, there are essays on creativity, marketing, and how he shares magic with his son, so you get the personal side of Craig that you don't always see. Absolute Madness is currently on pre-order, but drops this month, April 14th. So go ahead and punch your ticket to Absolute Madness on Penguin Magic. At number 6 is Little Holes by Roddy McGhie and Noel Qualter. This trick is wild. You start by drawing 4 dots with a Sharpie, 1 in each corner of a card box. One by one, the dots impossibly slide across the surface of the box until they all land in one corner. It's got this crazy Matrix-style visual that looks completely impossible. Then you say, actually, these aren't dots, they're holes. You open the card box and the first card is solid black. That's when it hits you. Those were really holes, not drawn on the box. And we're seeing through the box the entire time. It's such a brilliant moment. Best of all, at the end of the trick, you hand everything out for examination. For me, and this is coming from somebody that has performed a lot of Roddy McGhie tricks, I have Little Holes up there with Little Door as one of the best tricks Roddy has ever created. And speaking of the man, every unit is handmade by Roddy using red bicycle stock, which means once they sell out, it could be a long time before they're ever available again. So if this is even kind of your style, grab it now while it's still around. Number 7, Stab in the Dark by Alex Latorre. It's almost like a brand new plot in Magic. It's part book test, part stage illusion, part mentalism, and 100% memorable. Here's what happens. A spectator freely chooses a page from a book, then you bring out a knife, yep, a real knife, and push it straight through the center of the book, like all the way through. When you pull the knife out, it cuts through every page except for one. That one untouched page, it's the exact page the spectator chooses. It's one of those effects that creates a moment. People remember it. The audience gasps, and they'll talk about it later because it's not just a trick, it feels like something bigger. The method is genius. You might think you'll be destroying a book every time you perform this trick, but you don't because of the special, devious way this trick is constructed. You'll get enough materials to perform it 50 times in your show, and refills are also available online. So if you're looking to add something totally new to your show, something that's visual, theatrical, and powerful, Stab in the Dark is an absolute winner, available now at Penguin Magic. At number 8, we have the Pie playing cards. While you should own this deck of cards because it is incredible looking, I had to include it in our top 10 because the inventory on this deck is extremely low at the filming of this video. And if you have any interest in this deck, you should pick it up right now. Here's why you should get it. It's a fully custom deck inspired by the elegance and mystery of the number pi. It's got this deep green and gold foil color scheme that really pops in person. The card backs, the court cards, the pips, everything has been redesigned with circular motifs that echo the infinite beauty of pi. And they didn't stop with the artwork. The tuck box is hot stamped with gold foil. It's got inside printing and a custom seal. The cards are printed on our Ultra Luxe stock with a smooth Aquaflow coating and metallic ink, so it's top tier quality. There was only 500 decks ever printed, and last I checked, fewer than 50 remain. So if you want one, don't wait. This is one of the decks that you don't open lightly, you display it. And if you use it in performance, people will notice. At number 9, we have Easy Writer by Franz, which is without a doubt one of the greatest mind-reading devices that you could possibly buy. It allows you to predict the future, read minds, alter outcomes, anything you want right in front of your audience without them suspecting a thing. It's a thumb writer, but what sets this apart is how well it's made. It's adjustable, durable, and gives you this really satisfying tactile feedback so you know you're making contact with the paper. And I can't say enough about the tutorial. It's by Patrick Redford, and it is the best resource out there if you want to learn real-world techniques for secret writing. You'll learn how to handle it, what to write, and most importantly, how to structure effects that feel totally fair and impossible. So if you've ever wanted to learn secret writing, or even if you've tried it before and didn't feel confident, this is the place to restart. It's accessible, practical, and professional. We sold out of these at Black Friday last year, and they're now finally back in stock. So I'd recommend picking up a couple of them while they are all still on discount as well. So pick up the Easy Writer, Penguin Magic. Last but not least, number 10, Entourage by Gordon Bean. You bring out a small envelope and explain that there's one queen face down between two jokers inside. The spectator can name any queen, completely free choice. You pull out the cards and say, well, I actually have 4 queens in here. And go ahead and eliminate 3 that aren't yours. They do. And when you turn over the one card they left behind, it is the named queen. Then for the kicker, you flip over the other 3 cards and all of them are jokers. The queen they named was the only one surrounded by her entourage. It's easy to do, super clever, and comes with a beautifully printed USPCC cards. This is one of those tricks that once you do it, it will live in your wallet because Gordon's routines are always so smart. It's a perfect closer for this list, and it's probably going to be your new perfect opener from here on out. It made this list again because it was sold out for quite some time, but it is now back in stock at Penguin Magic. So there you have it. That's everything you should be adding to your wish list on Penguin Magic April 2025. All of the tricks that we discussed in this video are available right now at penguinmagic.com. So if you like this video, please give it a like and a subscribe. I'll be dropping this video every month to let you know what you should be adding to your wish list every month. And if I missed anything, let me know down in the comments below. That's everything I've got for you. My name is Nick, and I will see you next time.